Here is how to sign up with the Boo dating app. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up a new account on the Boo app. So let's start. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the app from the store. After that, open the app and you will come to a screen like this. Now as you enter the application, you'll find an interface like this. Now you can either sign in with Google or sign in with email address. In order to sign up, you can simply tap on sign in with the specific method. Since I'll be using my Google account to sign up, I'll tap on sign in with Google. After that, you'll have to select the Google account that you want to use while signing up on Boo. So select your account and tap it. After you select your Google account, it will ask for your name. So enter the name that you want to use on the app and then continue. As you enter your name, the next question will be to select your gender. So select the gender of your preference and then tap on the continue button. After that, you'll have to enter your birthday. So enter the date that shows your age. Since the Boo dating app also analyzes your star sign and your personality test, it's better to use your actual date of birth so your star sign will be correct. So enter the date of your birth and then continue. After that, it will ask you questions like this. Now you'll have to select the purpose while you are on the app. If you are here to make friends, you can select the men, women or non-binary options under the friends section. If you are here for dating, then you can select the respective option under dating. After that, tap on continue. Then it will start showing a demo of how the app works. So you can simply tap on the arrow and then continue creating your account. It might take some time to create a new account since it focuses on various perspectives and other things. Then after, it will ask you to enable your location. So continue it. After that, it will ask you to take a personality quiz. If you already know your personality type, then you can simply tap on I already know my type. In case you don't know your personality type, then you can take either a short quiz or take an accurate quiz. A short quiz will give you an idea of your personality, whereas the accurate quiz will give you a detailed information of your personality, of your liking and other things. So choose the option that you want to proceed with. For now, I'll be tapping on take short quiz. Now it will ask you a variety of questions, so keep on answering all of them until you finish it. After you complete the quiz, it will show you the result like this. It will also identify your personality type and give you details about various topics such as your strengths, your weakness, what you are attracted by, your mating call, your flirting tips, your relationship material, and other details. You can read all of them and know your personality. After you are done reading with them, tap on the arrow option that you can see on the bottom. It will also show you what personality types you are most compatible with. Then after, you will have to pick your interest. You can pick at least 5 or more. Then after, you will have to enter various advanced level details such as information about exercising, education level, drinking, smoking and other things. Furthermore, it will also ask you details about your school and other things about your life. So you can answer the questions that you want to answer and then continue creating your account. After you have answered all of those questions, your account will be successfully created. Then after, it will show you profiles that matches based on your personality type. So in this way, you can easily sign up for Boo dating app. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.